Network route tracing. Here you can see result of tracert. I require to cross 10 hosts to reach to the google.com. You can also tracert in Kali Linux operating system. Just use traceroute command and then give space and define domain name information like traceroute microsoft.com. So you can see it is required to cross 30 hops to reach to the Microsoft.com. You can also use Path Analyzer Pro software to trace target. Here I am using evaluation copy of the Path Analyzer Pro. You can define target domain name or IP address information and just click on trace. You can see DNS information, IP address information, PTR record information, routing information, autonomous system number. You can also gather chart and geo informations by using Path Analyzer Pro. So thank you for watching this video. Tracing an email using EmailTracker Pro tool. Open your email. Click on Show Original. You can see header of this mail. Just click on Copy to Clipboard. Now, need to open EmailTracker Pro. Go to the Trace header. You can see it will automatically paste to this box. Trace an email I have received. Just click on Trace. It will start trace to this email header. Tracing is started. You can see sender details. IP address details of the sender. Abuse address. Network WIS information of the sender. They are using SendGrid to send the email. You can see email address information of the sender servers. Now you can see geographical location also. Location information is Denver, Colorado, USA. IP address information of the sender. So thank you for watching this video.